Welcome back to this video series on the World Domination Custom Cabinetry app. In this video we're going to cover the contacts. Should be fairly short and sweet because there's not a lot to it. When we look at the views, all we have is just the all and then the active, and that's just distinguishing between which ones have projects linked to them. Each of these represents a contact, and most of these contacts are linked to a company, but not all. They don't have to be linked to a company. And then the ones that are active would be linked to a project. There'd be a project in this list somewhere that they would link to. If you actually go into a contact, you can see that we're basically using the primary field for the last name, and then we're entering the first name, and then we're concatenating these names using a formula, which gives us the display name of Atkinson Mike. And then we classify our contact as a builder or a homeowner, and you could have as many of these as you want. If you type something new in here, it would give you the option to add it, and you would have another classification. Then we relate them to a company, but we don't have to. If you want to use the sales pipeline we looked at in an earlier video, then you do need to relate to a company. The sales pipeline is associated to the company, not the contact. And then as you start projects for this particular contact, you would link the projects. Typically you'd start the project from the project page and then link the contact to the project, not link the contact to the project from here. Then you would enter your address, city, state, zip, phone, email. You could use this for appointments. It's a calendar. If you click on it, it actually brings up the calendar and you could set up an appointment there. We may expand on this some in the future. We have several ideas of other things we want to add to the app in the future. You could add any attachments, photos, anything you needed to. Maybe even in the case of a builder, if you didn't want the homeowner to see estimates, proposals, anything that was related to dollars and cents, you might attach their estimates and proposals as attachments to the builder themselves rather than putting them in the area we have designated for that, which is under projects. And then you can add any notes about the builder here. So that's it for the contacts. Thanks for watching.